Hi guys, I'm Zena. I'm the editorial director at Hum Nutrition, here to reveal our November theme for our monthly vitamin subscribers. So it's November, we're heading into Thanksgiving, but really Thanksgiving is about getting together with friends and family. So instead of going with, the normal gratitude theme, this month we went with, can you tell what this is? Let me break it down for you. It's a party on theme, folks. That's right, because really getting together with friends and family is an occasion, and we want to celebrate those occasions and just give you permission to enjoy this holiday season, to go out, to hang out with your friends, to indulge a little, everything in moderation, folks. So we're going into the party on theme. We made our box look like this beautiful disco ball. So fun. This month, subscribers are getting a very special insert to celebrate the whole friends and family party season, and that is these special cards we made to share your referral code. So if you didn't know, we do referral codes for our subscribers. That means if you share with your friends, they use your code, they'll get $10 off, you'll get $10 of credit. It's a win-win for everyone. So keep an eye out for these. You'll also get, of course, our monthly little magazine here. And inside, for the party season, we've got your back. We have your guide to hangover prevention. So some tips and tricks here to prevent suffering the next day after an indulgent party night out. And for our monthly beauty sample this month, we have partnered with Wander Beauty, and these are their baggage claim gold eye masks. These are really cool. They're these really pretty gold color. They go under your eyes. Again, helpful for perhaps a day after imbibing to reduce any of those dark under eye circles. They're a really great company, clean beauty. They don't use any synthetic fragrances, no animal testings, paraben free, phthalate free, all the good stuff here. So we're really excited to be partnering with them. Last but not least, in our partnership with Wander Beauty, they have generously offered to participate in a little giveaway for all you YouTube subscribers. So to enter, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment below with your favorite hangover food, because we're in the party season, folks, and you will be entered to win a 3 set of Hum. You can pick any 3 Hum products that you're interested in trying. We'll send those out to you in this special disco themed party box. The winner will also receive $250 of Wander Beauty products. And that's it, guys. I think I'm ready to go take my gold party dress out on the town here. So don't forget to check the comments below at the end of the month to see if you won, if you enter our giveaway, and for future giveaways with all of our beauty partners, subscribe to our channel. We will see you back soon. Bye. We decided to go with another intro. Here we go. Okay, sorry.